Why do some bathroom designs look dated, but other bathrooms, while older, still look classic and fresh? Well, I'm Carrie, a designer with Penny Modern, and today we're diving deep into timeless bathroom design ideas that will keep your space looking fresh and chic for over a decade. And if you watch this video until the end, our last design tip is the easiest by far, and it's something that you can do this weekend to make your bathroom look more timeless and classic sooner rather than later. So let's get started with our first tip, timeless tile selections. The foundation of any bathroom is definitely tile. Subway tiles are a classic choice dating back to 1904 when they first appeared in New York subway stations. They're simple, they're versatile, and they are a staple in bathroom design, and they're going to help your bathroom look timeless. You can lay them horizontally, vertically, or in a herringbone pattern. Subway tiles never fail to impress. I think one way that they can look dated is if you use a high contrast grout versus your tile. That could look dated, so choosing a grout that's closer to your tile color is definitely going to make it a more timeless choice. Now let's talk about the glossy Moroccan Zellige tiles. Each tile is unique with slight imperfections that add character and depth. These tiles reflect light beautifully and can make any bathroom feel brighter and more dynamic. Zellige tiles are known for their handmade quality, and each piece carries its own distinct look. This makes them perfect for adding a touch of exotic charm to your bathroom. If you think Zellige tiles are here to stay, leave a comment below. I want to know your prediction. And who could forget my favorite, penny tiles? These little circles of charm are perfect for floors, adding a playful yet timeless touch to your bathroom. They can be used to create intricate patterns or just a very simple design. They always add a layer of visual interest. Plus, their small size makes them ideal for covering curved surfaces, ensuring that every corner of your bathroom looks polished and intentional. Vintage accents bring history and personality into your bathroom. Antique mirrors with intricate frames and vintage light fixtures can add a touch of elegance and timeless charm. These elements have been loved for generations and continue to captivate us. Small details like a vintage-inspired handle or a faucet can make a huge impact. They add authenticity and a sense of nostalgia that modern designs often lack. Plus, they're just plain fun. Who doesn't love a good flea market find? By mixing a few vintage pieces in with more modern, you can create a bathroom that feels both unique and timeless. Imagine the charm of an antique mirror reflecting the soft glow of a vintage light fixture. These pieces tell a story, adding depth and character. And the best part, vintage never goes out of style. By the way, if you're planning a bathroom remodel or a makeover, I've got a free resource for you. It's a bathroom budgeting worksheet, and you can download it via the link in the description down below, or you can go to my website, pennymodern.com/freebies to download it. Now, on to our next section, crafting a functional layout. Functionality is key to a timeless bathroom. Imagine a well-organized space where everything has its place. So that's our next section, is all about crafting a very functional layout. Medicine cabinets, drawer organizers, and built-in shelves ensure your bathroom stays clutter-free and efficient. A clean space is a timeless space. Think about incorporating ample storage for towels, toiletries, and cleaning supplies. Proper organization not only looks good, but it makes your daily routine smoother. You also want to do hidden storage solutions like built-in shelves and recessed cabinets to keep everything out of sight but very accessible. Being a functional bathroom is also being very timeless. And let's talk about drawer organizers. They might seem like a small, tiny detail, but they make a huge difference in keeping your space clean. Imagine never having to rummage through a messy drawer to find your toothbrush. That is pure bliss. And if you'd like to see some of my favorites when it comes to bathroom organization and bathroom decor, make sure you check out my Amazon storefront. The link is down below in the description. Choosing the right flooring is crucial for a timeless bathroom design. One classic option is natural stone, like a marble or a granite. These materials have been used for centuries due to their durability and elegant appearance. Stone floors add a luxurious feel and are available in various colors and patterns, making it super easy to find a style that fits your bathroom and your taste. Ceramic and porcelain tiles are also excellent choices. They're very durable, water resistant, and have a lot of different designs. For a timeless look, consider classic patterns like a hexagon or a herringbone, which adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. Plus, you also can get ceramic or porcelain tile that looks like a marble or a real stone, which I think is a great way to save money but give you that timeless classic look. Another timeless option is wood look tiles. These provide the warmth and beauty of wood, but being much more suitable for a wet environment. They come in various finishes and can complement both traditional and modern bathroom styles to give you that timeless look. Well, tile floors that look like wood have become all the rage. What are your thoughts? Is this trend here to stay for the next 10 years? Leave the comment below what you think. I totally want to know. Choosing timeless finishes for your bathroom fixtures ensures long-lasting style. Opt for polished chrome or maybe a polished nickel for sink faucets. These are classic, durable materials that blend seamlessly to different design styles, but they make your bathroom look timeless. For tub fixtures, consider brass for its warm, sophisticated look. This adds elegance and can develop a beautiful patina over time. Lighting fixtures in a polished nickel or an aged brass offer a timeless appeal and luxury. Simple, clean lines help avoid a dated look. So if you use those clean lines and you avoid something that's too ornate, it's going to help give your bathroom that timeless look. For example, you could use a polished nickel sconce with a white shade or an aged brass chandelier that can add elegance without completely overpowering the space. Mixing metals can also be timeless when done right. Pairing polished nickel faucet with matte black cabinet handles can add depth, and you can use one metal as the dominant finish and the other as an accent to create a cohesive look. If you love how mixed metals look in the bathroom, hit that like button to let me know. By selecting timeless finishes and mixing metals smartly, you ensure your bathroom remains stylish and functional for years to come. Wall treatments like a beadboard and wainscoting add texture and sophistication to the bathroom. These classic treatments have adorned homes for centuries, providing an elegant backdrop to pretty much any design. Beadboard can be used halfway up the wall to create a cozy cottage feel, especially if you pair it with something like a wallpaper. And wainscoting adds a touch of formal elegance, perfect for a traditional or classic bathroom design. These treatments are also super easy to customize. You can paint them in a different color for a bold statement or keep them neutral for a subtle sophistication. They also add that architectural interest and depth without overwhelming the space, and it makes your bathroom look polished and complete and timeless. By the way, if you want more interior design inspiration, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified the next time I drop a video just like this. Imagine soaking in a freestanding tub after a long day. These tubs are the epitome of luxury and have a timeless appeal. Whether you prefer a vintage clawfoot design or a sleek modern style, a freestanding tub can be the centerpiece of your bathroom. The beauty is it lies in their ability to stand alone, making them a focal point. And they give your bathroom a spa-like experience, which is not going to go out of style anytime soon. Freestanding tubs come in various styles, from traditional to contemporary, making it easy to find one that fits your aesthetic. I would go with something that's not too ornate, not too crazy, to give you that timeless look. Although a clawfoot tub adds that vintage elegance, which just isn't going to go out of style anytime soon. A lot of people really love that clawfoot tub. No matter your choice, a freestanding tub is sure to be a statement piece, but let's not forget the practical side. A lot of times they're often deeper than built-in ones, and they give you a more luxurious soak. So they give you some flexibility in the bathroom layout because they don't need to be installed against a wall. Connecting with nature brings tranquility into your bathroom. Incorporating plants, natural wood, and stone elements creates an oasis. It blends the indoors into the outside natural world. This is like a biophilic design trend, and it promotes relaxation and well-being, but I think it's going to be around for a long time. People love being outside, right? Think of plant shelves with lush greenery, wooden vanities that add warmth, and stone countertops that bring a touch of natural elegance. It's really just trying to use those natural elements like stone, wood, and greenery to really make your bathroom seem timeless. They not only look beautiful when you add all these together, but it creates a sense of harmony and balance in your bathroom. So natural materials are never going to go out of style. Colors set the mood of any space. Choosing a neutral color palette with whites, grays, and beiges creates a serene and timeless bathroom environment. These colors are very versatile and they let you change out accents and accessories without needing a total overhaul or makeover of your bathroom. Neutrals act like a blank canvas, and they also make your space feel more spacious and inviting. Light colors reflect natural light better, enhancing the room's brightness. And if you ever want to add a pop of color, it's as simple as swapping out your towels or adding a vibrant piece of art. This flexibility makes sure your bathroom can feel up to date without major renovations. Neutral colors never go out of style. They're like the little black dress of interior design. They're always elegant, always appropriate, and it really helps your bathroom remain timeless. Next up is our easiest tip to do this weekend. But first, I wanted to remind you about that free resource. It's a bathroom budgeting worksheet to help you save time and help you figure out how much you might be spending on updating your bathroom. Link is below, or go to pennymodern.com/freebies. Selecting the right bath accessories is key to maintaining a timeless bathroom design. Bath accessories are a super easy thing to change to make your space look timeless. So here's a few ideas you can do this weekend. Start with high quality white towels. Not only do they offer a fresh, clean look, but they also evoke a spa-like feel that's both luxurious and enduring. White towels are versatile and never go out of style, making them a staple in timeless decor. Next up, opt for classic accessories like glass jars for storage. They are practical for holding items like cotton balls and bath salts while adding a touch of elegance. Glass jars come in a clear look, or you also can get a brown glass to hold some things like body wash or shampoo. Mirrors with simple, elegant frames are another timeless choice. Avoid overly ornate designs and instead opt for clean lines and classic shapes, such as a round or rectangular mirror. These designs ensure your mirror remains stylish and adaptable to changing trends. Also, you can choose accessories in neutral colors like soap dispensers, toothbrush holders, and shower curtains. Neutral tones are versatile and can pretty much complement any color scheme, and ensuring your bathroom looks coordinated but also timeless. By selecting high-quality white towels, classic glass jars, and simple frame mirrors and neutral accessories, you can create a bathroom that is both stylish and enduring. If you'd like to see some of my favorite affordable bathroom accessories to help you achieve this look, check out my Amazon storefront, link down in description. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you'd like more information and videos about how to decorate your home like a pro. And if you want even more bathroom design inspiration, watch this video right here.